In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze frames on CapCut PC. If you want to pause the action at the perfect moment to add a title, highlight an important detail, or create a dramatic visual break, CapCut makes it really simple. This is one of those quick editing techniques that can make your videos feel more polished without adding a lot of extra work. To get started, the first thing you need to do is find the exact moment you want to turn into a freeze frame. Move your vertical playhead along the timeline and place it on the frame where you want the motion to stop. This part is important because the freeze frame will be created exactly where your playhead is positioned. If you need more precision, use the left and right arrow keys on your keyboard to move one frame at a time. That makes it much easier to lock onto the perfect expression, gesture, or action shot. Once your playhead is sitting on the right frame, make sure your video clip is selected, then look at the toolbar directly above the timeline and click the freeze icon. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Alt and F. As soon as you do that, CapCut automatically splits the clip and inserts a frozen still image right at the playhead position. That means you do not need to manually export a frame or create a separate image file. CapCut handles it for you instantly. After the freeze frame appears on your timeline, you can adjust how long it stays on screen. By default, CapCut sets the frozen frame to 3 seconds, which is often a good starting point. But if that feels too long or too short for your edit, just drag the edge handles of the frozen clip to change its duration. A shorter freeze can feel punchy and fast, while a longer one gives viewers more time to read text or notice details. If you want to make the effect even more useful, go to the text drawer in the top left area of the interface. From there, you can add titles, callouts, or sticker graphics directly over the frozen image. This works especially well for tutorials, reactions, emphasis moments, or any scene where you want the audience to focus on one specific thing. And that's it. Once you know where to place the playhead, how to apply the freeze, and how to adjust the duration, you can use freeze frames anytime to add style and clarity to your edits in CapCut PC.